Okay, this is a ground effect switch. So whenever you see something you want, just put it on pause. But this is the back of it. This is the front of it, and there's the reset. The reset goes right here. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. Look, that's where the reset goes in. There's the LED indicator. This is some kind of part of the filter. There's a big old RC circuit going on. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's like filtering to the max. So I just thought I'd tear it apart because it's bad right here. No wonder they cost 13 bucks. All this other stuff came off it. The terminals. So I'm gonna rip off one more thing on the other side, this side here. Pause it whenever you feel comfortable. I'll just pull this off of there. Just on there like that. Going in. Pull this out of there. Part of the reset. Okay, just took this off. These are already like that. Just so you can see the printed circuit board. That is amazing. Stop this or pause this whenever I'm going too fast.